I believe that apprenticeships are a huge gateway, and I feel like that is where the industry is now going, and that learning within the environment is really important.
My background wasn't in science specifically. I studied law, business and sociology A-level.
I'm currently based in the chemical labs, so I'm responsible for making sure that stuff doesn't go wrong on a place like the chemical labs. There's a bit of variation to it.
You're not just sat on your own doing nothing, you're very involved in the team.
It's a STEM-based role. There's a lot of technology and engineering that you'll learn over the 2 years.
I do believe there is the most avenues for different careers. You can go into different departments. There's loads of different jobs that unless you do the manufacturing apprenticeship you won't find out about. There is more to a manufacturing apprenticeship than just putting a pill in a box.
There's a lot of mechanical and software aspects of the line that you will become an industry expert in eventually.
During the apprenticeship we did a level 3 qualification which was based at Macclesfield College. We had day release 1 day a week where we'd go into college. If necessary, if you needed it, if you spoke to your line manager, they'd also allow you to have time maybe away from the line to go and do any extra work.
Last year I had a bit of a struggle to get some work done. They were more than happy to allocate me a second day.
As part of the college course you do engineering, so you learn about like the machines and 3D printing, and that is a lot of things that are coming in at AstraZeneca Macclesfield at the moment.
You are able to go and explore any interests you have. When you're in your set area you will have a buddy or a trainer who will make sure that you're supported in any areas you need help in.
You will get constant dialogue with your line manager, and you also have an apprentice manager as well. You get regular reviews and check-in sessions. I was never concerned going through the apprenticeship that I didn't have enough support.
I do feel that my apprenticeship has helped me get to where I am today. It's definitely helped me get that experience and exposure that I needed to expand my role further.
You do some huge networking, you work in different departments, so you learn different people, so when it comes to applying for a full-time job you've got all them avenues that you can explore, and I think that networking is something that can't be matched anywhere else.
There's people that I met at my apprenticeship that I'm still friends with 7 years later.
You can't go wrong with the manufacturing apprenticeship. It is the best apprenticeship in my opinion. If you want to apply, just do it. You've got nothing to lose.